Okay, can you describe this picture for me, please, using one or two of these words in a box?
The photo shows a teenage girl celebrating a party. There are lots of balloons around, and she's probably celebrating her birthday. She is opening a present. She looks very happy.
Okay, now another preposition maybe. Okay, you said around. What can you see on the table?
Apple.
Apple. Apples. Did you mention who she was with? So kind of mention who else you can see in the photo, because if I couldn't see this photo, I just imagine one girl opening a present with balloons around her and she's alone. Yeah? So try to describe to me, imagine that I can't see. Okay, one more time. Tell me what you can see in this photo.
The photo shows a teenage girl celebrating a party. There are lots of balloons around her, and she's probably celebrating her birthday. There are lots of apples on the table, and everybody is cheering for her to open the present. She looks very happy.
Okay, that's a bit better because we got everyone. Okay, who do you think this man is here?
Her dad or grandpa.
I don't think he's that old to be a granddad, is he? I don't know, can't really see. And this woman?
Grandma.
Grandma. What about these people here?
Her friends.
Her friends.
Siblings?
Okay. Where do you think she is? Which room?
Living room. Party room.
There's a party. What, do they have a party room? Might have a party room in America or somewhere. Okay, so you can say the photo was probably taken in the front room or in the kitchen. Yeah. It looks like they are giving her presents, giving her birthday presents. Okay, so I'm just going to stop that recording now. That was a good one. And we're going to do the next one.